How to download the Credit Karma app? Thinking about getting the Credit Karma app on your phone? It's really straightforward. Let's walk through it together. First things first, you will need a smartphone or a tablet. Got it? Now find your app store if you are using your iPhone, and if you are using your Android, simply go to Google Play Store. You can see my Google Play Store right over here. Tap on it. Now, once you're inside the Google Play Store, you will see this type of interface, and what you have to do is simply tap on the search icon in the bottom middle. So over here, tap on it, then tap on search for and search for Credit Karma. Let's tap on it. Now you will see the Credit Karma app pop up in the results. It's usually like a logo next to it, so easy to spot. You can see the two initials. The first one is credit and the second one is for karma, that is CK. Once you have found it, you will see option or a button called install. It's right over here. Simply tap on it. That will start downloading your app for you. Might see the progress bar or circle. It could take a minute or two depending upon your internet speed. When it's finished downloading, the button will change to the open. You can see open right over here. Simply tap on it, or you can find the new Credit Karma icon on your home screen or in your app drawer if you are going to open it later. That's it, you have downloaded the Credit Karma app. Pretty simple, right? You did it. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.